I listened, and what I heard shook me to the core. This isn't science fiction, this is your future. 2025 is here, and with it the collapse of jobs we once thought safe. From cashiers to coders, AI is replacing more than just routine. It's replacing people. According to McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs could be automated globally by 2030. But the real question is, who's next, and are you prepared? Behind every smart assistant and chatbot is an industry quietly profiting from displacement. This is not just tech advancement, this is a power shift. If you think your job is safe, think again, but don't panic, prepare. This is just episode 1. We're uncovering the roadmap to surviving and thriving in the age of AI. You have 3 years to adapt. Subscribe to World Around Me Arsl and hit the bell icon. Because in our next episode, we expose how governments and tech giants plan to control your future. Don't be left behind.